comrades here from Sumag National High School, awardees of the Star Awards. No, Praise Awards rather, courtesy by Department of Education, Bacolod, Division of Bacolod City. We have Mrs. Christine Amparo.
Hi! Hello everyone! We're having fun here at the mountain.
Wow.
CAMPUESTOHAN Highland Resort!
Yeah. So what can you say, Ma'am Mercurio?
I'm excited. Oh my God. I love the dinosaurs.
Wow. Yes, I also loved it.
The log house.
Wow.
I love
Log
it.
house.
Oh, selfie. Ara naman tayo. Pati yung dugong. Ara oh. Wow, dahil nani. Ara, ready.
It's actual scenery here of we come across with the movie. We watched it actually, the Jurassic Park movie, and it's here right now. I can see it. It's as if it's depicted the same as depicted in the movie. I had been in the city for quite some time. It's already, for me, decades that I had been here. But since 2015, the first time when I was here the first time, I still can see the beautiful river flows. All right, you can see. Although it's kind of man-made now, but you can still see and witness how the water flows. Alright. How much courtesy of CAMPUESTOHAN? No, it's all free, tax-free, whatever. Look at this mascot now. Isn't it it's in a happy mood? Why do you think?
Alright.
Why do you think so?
We're having fun.
Yeah. Right, thank you so much, mascot.
Thanks.
And here's the bridge. Alligator here, my goodness, but it's not real. It's only a replica of it. What about here? Still alligator here, but it's still a replica, not a real one. Alright, but one thing that's awesome here is the gushing forth of the waters coming from that reservoir. And coming from that reservoir, we can see waters here and so on and so forth. To a place of the elves. I don't know. Is this really a place for elves, or it's just only a creation and we can only see it in movies, just like the Hobbit movie?
Sir, it's a chance.
Yes,
Picture, please.
it's good. And that dinosaur is really moving. Wow.
Yes, mom, ready. Mom.
Although it's mechanical.
Sige na, ma'am. 1, 2.
Kung ito rin video, ang gagihungaw din ng soro.
So after this leopard, we have this sounding mechanical. What's this? Dinosaur. But still mechanical.
Picture na diya, ma'am.
And they're having fun right here. Taking photos and videos. And here's another Another moving mechanical dinosaur here. In a big sawa, snake here. And there's another one up there. My goodness. They're all moving. Campuestohan theme park. Why is it called theme park? It's because the theme here, as if it's taken from the movie, the Jurassic Park. So this is it. You can see the eyes of this mechanical one. Alright, as if it's real. My goodness. Alright. And here's the spawning of the eggs here. And then music is everywhere. Music and marrying here. And friends are here. So how do you find Campuestohan now as compared before? Kamusta man?
Video kasi.
Oo.
Pwede naman nakadagdag ko na yung mga pwede na lang ko di ba?
Wow, poo.
Ako ka lang.
Wow.
Asal sunod sa diyo. Sige, tatlo pa ka.
Yes, another attraction here
Apat lang. Apat pa kami nakaroon.
are the swings with thematic characters. You can only
Yes! Wow!
always see it
Saka ito rin
and
mo.
watch it
Mga picture ka mo.
every December. Ganda. Riding here.
Sakay na. Sige na.
Wow. Cute. Oh my goodness. We can always remember when we were still very, very little, together with our parents. We were at Bacolod, Capital Lagoon, swinging, but right now we are also swinging. Using this. Being with dramatic characters.
Ano yung saso ka group na rin?
And what about this one? You can see the zip liners are up there.
Walking ko naman ang background sa.
Zip liners.
Ito. Walking ko, sir. Oh. Sir.
Yeah, then.
Ready, 1, 2.
And no more zip liners. Ah, it's there. Okay, let's watch and see them right here and now. And there's another one. scenic view here. As you can see, beauty. This is the beauty of the Philippines, part of the archipelago, Bacolod City, CAMPUESTOHAN. And here we have an open shark's mouth. Nice. Right. Open shark's mouth. My goodness.
Upang maging ligtas ang ating palaruan at mapanatiling bago at nasa mabuting kondisyon ang mga kagamitan sa loob nito, aming hinihikayat ang lahat na sumunod sa mga nakalaang panuntunan. Ang palaruan ay bukas sa mga batang may 12 gulang pababa. Ang sahig ng palaruan ay gawa sa rubber, kaya